Hey everybody, got a 65 Mustang Fastback here. It's a C-Code 3-speed from the factory. It's its factory color combo of dark ivy green with like an ivy green interior. It's a nice little driver car. It's not a perfect show car, but it runs good, it drives good, and it's basically in its original state. The car's been painted before, but the interior is really original and authentic to what the car should be. It's got original seat belts, original seats. All the interior panels are in really nice condition in the back. Nothing's been cut or hacked up. For speakers, it does have a fold down rear seat. With a nice uncut trap door. Fold down seat works good. It's a basic standard interior car. The odometer is showing 51,000 miles, which I believe to be original. It's got the original Ford radio. Dash pad's in really good shape. And the headliner's in really good shape. Door's shut good. It's got a few bumps and bruises on it. Also has a trailer hitch, which I don't know what you're going to pull with it, but I do like that color green. Interior lights, courtesy lights work. It's a very presentable driver. Pop the hood here. It's got its original 289 in it. So the numbers matching motor. I verified the dates. It's even got the original carburetor with the tag on it, which I've taken pictures of, and the original engine tag is still on it right down in there. Looks like the original radiator, new voltage regulator. Looks like it's got a new master cylinder. It was sold new in Cumberland, Maryland. Right there, still the dealer tag. They screwed it into the firewall, which is a odd place to put it, but that's where it is. Nice clear VIN number. Recently passed West Virginia state inspection, which tells you it's functional and dry and works good. Right there's the original door tag. It has been painted over. But yeah, it's just a real nice driver Fastback. It's not a perfect car, but it does start right up. Let's get it in neutral here. Didn't even have to pump the gas. Has really good clear throttle response. Not sure if the radio works. But the lights do work, headlights, taillights. bit of damage on that quarter end cap there. The engine's really quiet. Like it's got original exhaust manifolds. Just doesn't seem like the engine's ever been apart. But yeah, it's just a good driving little fastback. It's pretty pure to its original state. Thanks for watching.